Okay, so I'm gonna make this curry chicken. I wanted to show my oil is getting hot. I'm gonna use my base. This chicken has been marinating through the night. There's some onions, some garlic, and my bread has been resting. And I'm gonna make flatbread, and I'm gonna keep it warm in my crock pot. Stand by. Okay, I wanted to point this out. This is the broth from the onion soup that I made with all those different alliums. I'm going to make a slurry with some cornstarch so it can thicken up, just because I wanted to have a little curry gravy. But I'm going to use this. This is the last bit of the broth that I had. It's already seasoned, onioned out. Stand by. Okay, these are boneless, skinless thighs. My favorite. Besides wings. Stand by. This is going to be curry chicken. Hold on. I'm not frying it hard, just to give it a little sear. You see that? I've made this before. I made this a few times and showed it. I did it on my grill also. So stand by. See the brown bits? That's what I'm going for on the outside. Because this is going to cook out in the pot. Hold on. Okay, so I only wanted it brown on the sides. See? Like that. And I'm going to put it in the pot. Stand by. For me, this is all important. These little bits. I'm going to put my onions in here. Okay, so now I'm going to add my base, which is all good things. I mean, all good things. And I got my slurry. And I'm going to cut this chicken up and let it cook on out once I get this together. Stand by. I'm going to put some curry powder. Hold on. Garlic. Alright, I'm gonna put a little pepper. Some black pepper. I did, and this is some crushed for a little heat. Stand by. A little cayenne, why not? Okay, I'm going to pour this. Gonna let that cook slow. So let me show. I'm gonna let this cook slow, because remember, I only seared the outside, so this chicken still has to cook. I just want to taste if it sits well with me. Now on to my flatbread. So here they go. I got a few out of them, and here it is in the pan. So if you see that the scallion has got like brown, that's because it's crispy on the other side. So stand by. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. See? It's okay. Okay, that's how it looks. I'm putting it in my crock pot to stay warm. So stand all the way by for this whole meal. This video is too long. Stand by. Thank you.